Photographers always get those dreamy engagement sessions before the wedding, so why shouldn't videographers? Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes on a cinematic engagement shoot in Las Vegas, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step.
We here!
First off, I'm not from Vegas, I live in Iowa. I had to hop on a plane just to make this happen, which proves if you have a vision, no distance is too far. The steps in this video will be how I book these couples, how I choose these locations, how I film these videos, and then how I edit them. If you're new to this and you don't have a portfolio yet, don't stress it. Literally no one has a portfolio before they start doing any shooting. I started with a little method called free to fee. Free to fee just basically means every time you want to try a new type of video, do that first one for free so that you can take that one to future clients so that they can see what they're going to get and how long it'll take for them to get that. That can very quickly fill up your portfolio. That will definitely lead to paying bookings, but more importantly, it'll lead you to connections that can pay off even bigger later down the line. So now that you have your couple, it's time to pick a killer location. Luckily, the groom flew me out to Las Vegas. Initially, we wanted to film at the Grand Canyon, but other things got in the way.
Vegas, baby.
So we pivoted and just did the local Red Rock State Park. And honestly, it was stunning. We also explored downtown to hit some of the iconic spots, including where Ben Affleck got married to one of the Jennifers. No pressure, right? When it comes to picking the location, it's pretty much the third character of this type of video. So you should find a place that is beautiful, that's easy to get to, that the couple likes, and most importantly, do it during the right time of the day. Ideally, it would be golden hour, although sometimes that is out of your control. But what is in your control that can guarantee them a great video is the filming. Now, filming anything, especially engagement videos, requires some ground rules. Start with wide shots to set the scene and to let the viewers know where we are. Then do some detail shots to immerse your viewers. Do not forget to get the ring in there ever. That is the most important part of this whole thing. Finally, get some full frame shots of your subjects. The couple's love story is the star here. Let's get a little technical here. I film in 4K at 60 frames per second. I do that because I love speed ramps. It gives you that buttery smooth slow-mo magic when you edit on a 24 frame per second timeline. I also shoot in log for more control over the colors. Do you need to? Absolutely not. I personally don't really see a difference from color grading standard picture profile to color grading in log, but the big names in the industry are doing it, so. But that's a worry for when you get to the editing. Editing is where the magic happens. My process, a little backward. I like to start by finding the perfect music, sometimes even before I go on my filming, so that way I'm shooting with the edit in mind instead of editing what I shot. For this video, I chose a track that builds and drops at the perfect moments. Here's a little sample of it. Here's the key to a killer edit. Match your visuals to your music. When the beat picks up, I match its pace. When it slows down, I do the same thing. When it's faster, you can show more movement and action. When it's slower, you can show intimacy and details. It's all about rhythm. Since we shot in two wildly different locations, I chose to split the video 50-50. Half at the state park, half in Vegas. When you have a big filming, you don't want to mash everything together into a chaos. Instead, use the beat of the song or sound design to transition it smoothly, and that's how you create an engagement video that couples will cherish forever. By the way, if you like this video, I was actually challenged by my mentors to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and if I do it, they'll do a video with me. So if you're feeling generous, let's turn this thing into this thing. But anyways, to watch the engagement video, go ahead and tap right here, and YouTube seems to think that you're gonna like whatever the heck this is. Thank you for watching all the way to the end.